In Texas, it is possible to dismiss or non-suit a divorce case under certain circumstances. This option can be valuable for couples who decide to reconcile or who wish to pause the divorce process for various reasons. However, it's important to understand the specifics of this process, its implications, and when it's possible. Conditions for dismissing a divorce case. Mutual agreement. Typically, both spouses must agree to dismiss the divorce case. If one party objects, dismissal becomes more complicated. Timing. The dismissal must occur before the final divorce decree is signed by the judge. Once the divorce is finalized, it cannot be dismissed. No counterpetition. If the respondent, non-filing spouse, has filed a counterpetition for divorce, a simple dismissal by the original petitioner may not be sufficient to end the case. Process of dismissing a divorce. Filing a motion. The spouse who originally filed for divorce, the petitioner, must file a motion or notice of non-suit with the court. Court approval. While court approval is generally automatic if the conditions are met, the judge will review the request to ensure it's proper. Order of dismissal. Once approved, the court will issue an order dismissing the case. Implications of dismissing a divorce. Legal status. Dismissing the divorce means the couple remains legally married. Temporary orders. Any temporary orders issued during the divorce process, like temporary custody or support orders, typically become void upon dismissal. Property division. Any agreements made about property division during the divorce process are not binding if the case is dismissed. Future filings. If the couple decides to divorce later, they would need to start the process anew, including paying new filing fees. Reasons for dismissing a divorce. Reconciliation. The most common reason is that the couple has decided to work on their marriage. Cooling off period. Some couples may dismiss to take time to reconsider or work through issues. Financial considerations. In some cases, couples may dismiss for financial reasons, such as maintaining health insurance coverage. Legal strategy. Sometimes a dismissal might be part of a legal strategy, such as refiling in a different county. Important considerations. Partial dismissal. In some cases, it may be possible to dismiss only part of a divorce case, such as certain claims or requests. Effect on children. If children are involved, consider how dismissal might affect any temporary arrangements or the children's emotional state. Financial implications. Be aware of any financial consequences of dismissing, such as attorney fees already incurred. Time limits. There's no specific time limit on how soon after filing you can dismiss, but it must be before the final decree. Refiling. If you dismiss and later decide to divorce, you'll need to refile and potentially repeat steps like the 60-day waiting period. When dismissal may not be possible. Objection by spouse. If one spouse objects to the dismissal, the court will likely not grant it. Advanced stage of proceedings. If the case is very far along, with significant court time invested, a judge might be reluctant to dismiss. Counterpetition filed. If the respondent has filed a counterpetition, their case may continue even if the original petitioner wants to dismiss. Consulting with an attorney. Before deciding to dismiss a divorce case, it's crucial to consult with an experienced family law attorney. They can advise on the potential consequences of dismissal, whether dismissal is the best option in your specific situation, how to properly file for dismissal, what to expect if you decide to refile for divorce in the future. Understanding the option to dismiss a divorce case provides couples with flexibility during a challenging time. Whether used for reconciliation or strategic reasons, dismissal can be a valuable tool in Texas family law. However, it should be approached carefully, with full awareness of its implications, and preferably under the guidance of a knowledgeable attorney. If you are in the Arlington, Texas area and would like professional advice, contact attorney Violet Nwokoye at 8 West 962 0773